Hirap mag-English. Absent ako ng English subject. Ako lang to sir, 695. Yes, sobrang mura. Lalong pala si sir eh. Pero very light lang. Ito lang oh. Hindi makita. Lulit lang. I have a deal. I can give you at 380. If another buy will not get it. So maybe I can show this one first to him. And if he will not get it, then I'll text you. Okay, I'll message you if the other buyer will not get it. Galing na tumawad. So, wala tayong done deal ngayon. Hindi natin bibigay sa kanya ngayon. I-message natin yung next na buyer. So, buyer tayo ngayon guys. Pasabak naman tayo ng English kasi Chinese national. So, titignan nila ito. Suzuki Katana. Ito lang pinaproblema niya guys yung plate number kasi Chinese sila. Kung hindi nakakaalam guys, Chinese, pag yung number 4, medyo hindi okay yun. Medyo malas din sa kanila yun. You can text me. You can make a deposit through online or GCash transfer. Then I'll reserve it for you. If you drop it, it's sold. So gustong-gusto nila yung bike guys. Pati sa price, halos done deal na kami. Hindi lang mapakali yung buyer dahil sa ending plate na number 4. Anyway, hindi ko naman sila pinipilit na bilhin. At least nakita nila, na testing nila yung bike at all good sa kanila. So dahil napag-usapan nga namin ni first buyer na bibigay ko sa kanya ng 380,000 pagka hindi kinuha ng second buyer. So minessage ko siya at dito muli yung second buyer at bumalik nga siya. The new OR sir, they print it like this only. But this one is the original. This one no original already because all of the other bikes they print only like a photocopy. No need. Even picture is okay. You just need to sign here sir. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to print your ID like this. I can print your ID today, sir. Can I borrow your ID? 2 valid ID, sir. If you're concerned with the paper, sir, I'll give you a money back guarantee if the paper is a problem. Even the change oil, I already did the change oil. Already? Yes. Even the clutch lining, I already did it. I changed the clutch lining because when I changed oil that one, they have checked the lining is not very good. So we bought a new lining. So linings new, change oil new, oil filter new. You just need registration.
The oil good for 5,000?
The change oil? Yes. After 5,000 kilometer or 1 year, you need to change oil. How much is my price to you, sir?
380.
I thought 390.
350.
Okay, 380 is good.
Anything, no problem.
Yes, no problem. It's good to go. You can ride it a long ride. So, that's din kami 380,000 para sa Suzuki Katana na 2019 na 17,000 odometer. So, meron na rin itong RFID, receipt from brand new, ORCR, IDs, manual. Sir, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Done deal. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Pinawisan ako sa English, boy. Hindi sa karga. So, done deal na tayo, guys. 2019 Suzuki Katana 1,000. 2021 acquired yan. 17,000 odo. Nabenta na natin for only 380,000. Sobrang mura yan. Still price. Brand new gulong. Bago ang clutch lining. Bagong change oil. Gamit natin dyan Gulf. Siyempre, pinagawa natin yan kay Royal Moto Club. Siyempre, big shoutout kay Imprint Customs. So, pag may mga binibenta po ay second na big bike, second na kotse, message nyo ako. Send nyo sa picture, appraise natin. Pagpasok po sa budget, puntahan ko, bayaran natin. So, Jet Low Rider po ito. Ride safe and God bless. Let's go.